This incredible 1870 Eastlake home in Vicksburg, Mississippi, is the real deal when it comes to historic charm. It's nearly 8,700 square feet and officially listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Just 5 blocks from downtown, the property is fully fenced and has plenty of space, including a large parking area, a 3-bay carport, a pergola, a gazebo, and even an adjoining lot. Inside, you get those grand 12-foot ceilings, along with 8 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. There are also 2 laundry areas, a finished basement, and a garden-level basement for extra space. The kitchen has been updated with newer appliances, but the home still holds onto its original character. Speaking of original details, there are 10 decorative fireplaces, some featuring rare scagliola designs. The hardwood floors are stunning, striped patterns, black walnut, and an especially rare American chestnut entryway. And if that's not enough, 12 of the 16 chandeliers are made of Austrian crystal, adding a little extra sparkle throughout the house. The exterior has all the Eastlake charm you'd expect. Fish scale shingles, beautifully carved verge boards on the gables, and detailed window arches with raised brick drip molds. There are verandas wrapping around both levels, plus the original storm shutters are still in place, protecting the front vestibule. Whether you're dreaming of living in a well-preserved Victorian or thinking about running a bed and breakfast, this place has a lot to offer. And if you're interested, the furniture and an already established business are available as well. The asking price is $595,000. If you're into Victorian homes, this 1891 historic Hunter house in Newtonville, Massachusetts, is a real treat. It's got all the classic details, natural wood millwork, inlaid floors, 6 fireplaces, and some beautiful stained glass windows. The grand foyer and dining area really set the tone with an inglenook and some incredible carved woodwork. The living room keeps that elegance going with a coffered ceiling and a fireplace that really stands out. And while this place is full of historic charm, the eat-in kitchen has been fully renovated. There's also a half bath and a cozy den or office with its own separate entrance on the first floor. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms, both updated with stone floors and stylish designer fixtures. The blend of old and new works perfectly here. Outside, the home sits on nearly 0.4 acres, giving you a bit of space while still being in a prime location. You've got 3 parking spaces and easy access to Newtonville's shops, restaurants, schools, the commuter rail, and major routes. It's a great balance of convenience and charm. This one comes in at $1,700,000. This three-story Victorian in Evansville, Indiana, has been standing since 1869, and it's got the perfect mix of old-school charm and modern updates. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths, giving you plenty of space to spread out. Walking in, you're greeted by a grand foyer with a sweeping staircase, one of those entrances that makes an impression. The living spaces keep that classic feel with original hardwood floors, built-in bookcases, and fireplaces everywhere. 2 in the living rooms, 1 in the primary suite, another in an extra bedroom, and even 1 in the kitchen. They'd really leaned into making sure every space feels cozy. The primary suite steps it up with a spa-like bathroom, a walk-in closet, and even a little beauty care fridge. Another bedroom has its own big walk-in beauty room, which could be turned into whatever you need: a dressing area, a home office, or just extra storage. The finished attic is where things really get interesting. It's a huge entertaining space with a second kitchen, a half bath, and a big window that lets in a ton of natural light. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's a hidden speakeasy-style basement, tucked away, adding that unexpected cool factor. If you like a good view, the rooftop deck overlooks Haney's Corner. And outside, you've got beautifully manicured landscaping, a covered porch, an outdoor bar, and even a treehouse. And here's a little bonus. The sellers have an assumable mortgage with a 2.875% interest rate, which could be a great deal for the right buyer. The asking price is $424,900. Built in 1855, this Queen Anne beauty in Ironton, Ohio, is known as the Norton House or the Vera Hayes House. It even made an appearance on HGTV's Cheap Old Houses. The original owner, Frederick D. Norton, was big in the iron industry, and you can tell this place was built to impress. From the moment you walk up, the 11-foot entrance doors set the tone. And then, just inside, you get hit with another set of matching grand doors. The rooms are huge, with 12-foot ceilings and original yellow poplar floors. The grand staircase takes you up 2 more stories. And then there's the tower, this home's signature feature. It's actually 3 separate rooms stacked on top of each other, each with an entrance on a different floor. The detail throughout is incredible, from the fretwork molding to the original trim and transom windows above the doors, which just add to the charm. Each floor has its own laundry, plus full baths, and on the 3rd floor, there's even a bonus room and a full kitchen, perfect for a second living space or an in-law suite. And don't worry about the big-ticket repairs. This place has been taken care of. The slate roof's been restored, the exterior's been freshly painted, and the home has 2 newer HVAC systems totaling 17 tons. The plumbing's been updated with Plex water lines and PVC, and there are 2 newer 80-gallon water tanks. There's even a 6-filter reverse osmosis drinking water system installed in 2024. If you make your way up to the historic tower on the third floor, you get an amazing view of the Ironton area and the bridge. The asking price is $275,000. If you enjoyed this tour of incredible historic homes, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and drop a comment letting me know which home was your favorite.